Hey, let me show you one thing. So can you guess what is happening here? We ran Python script in our command line, and on the other side in JavaScript console we use math.random to generate random numbers, and we are getting absolutely same numbers in both cases. So we can guess random numbers. Isn't it amazing? Well, so think, are random numbers really random? So hey guys, welcome to the Average Coder, and today we are going to solve the mystery about random numbers. So let's try it on Python. We will import random, then in for loop we will generate random numbers from 0 to 9, as 10 is upper bound here, and you can see each time it is giving different random output. However, I am going to show you that I can make it that gives exact same sequence. Here the reason is we are using the same seed. This seed is the starting value, and after that it performs deterministic changes to that value to give a subsequence of random numbers, and that is actually called pseudo random numbers. But one thing, then how our output is different each time by default? Actually in Python, system time is passed as the seed by default, and time is always different, so our output is also different each time when we run the code. But again, if we run the code in exact same system time and exact same millisecond, then the output will also be exact same. So now we will use system time as a random seed. Here we import time, and we have used time.time function. It will not return date, month, year as it is. It will return a number in milliseconds that has passed from a specific date. Means this is the system time, a random huge number, and we have put it as seed, and every single time we will get different output, as you can see. So thus a pseudo random code generator actually generate random numbers by using the system time as its seed. So now we will talk about how to actually generate truly random numbers, because in some case using these pseudo random numbers may cause security issues, cause it completely predictable, because if you know the starting point, then you will be able to guess the random numbers for the infinite time. So for this we have to use some different source outside the computer as seed. For example, radioactive decay. For generating a super random numbers, means that truly random numbers, we will actually take an atom for its radioactive decay, and it's actually random in the universe. Or simply we can monitor the mouse pointer on the screen, cause it moves on the screen actually random, and it differs from user to user. So that's all for today guys. If this added some value in your coding journey, then don't forget to subscribe to the Average Coder and like this video. I will be back with another video soon. Till then, keep coding, keep hustling.